How to delete all shared posts on Facebook. First of all, open up your Facebook. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now tap on the gear icon and go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down a bit and under your activity, tap on Activity Log. Now tap on your Facebook activity, scroll down a bit and tap on Manage Post. Now tap on the three dots of the post you want to delete and tap on Delete. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.